Yeah, in order to remove this cover, few screws holding it, and the corner, each corner of the, will be held by some kind of trim clip. Yeah, so I'm going to run the wire from the main battery through that firewall inside the car. And back here. So I'm going to remove this, plug this in to the charger and wire the mini fuse in here. Okay. For the ground cable, I just connect to the vehicle chassis or vehicle body. Yeah. Right. Going to pull the cable now. One-handed. Okay. Oh. There you go. Then. Oof. So for the ground cable, I just mount it to here. I'm not sure, could you see there? There, yeah, there we go. Just mount it right there. Okay. For the auxiliary feet, so I just get from the blue wire here. Behind this, it's a socket. So it will be looking like this. Wrap up with the wire and solder on this one. Then once it finish, then I just heat shrink. Now we'll be up here. Yeah. Right, this is a change over relay, the solar panel. Right before the input of the charger. And this one just for the car charger. Right, charger's working. Now it's charging this controller or power management. Okay. Yeah, that's better. So DC input 220 watts. Okay. Yeah, I'll put it back now.